here's a look at one of the very cute lines that came in. I really like it. It just looks so much like spring, and it's full of these cute bees. Let's take a closer look at that, and maybe I'll give you a peek. I've already taken some of this home, and I have started to make a little album. So this is one of these flip fold albums, and it's just full of goodness. I'm not quite done yet, but I think I'll end up doing this one as a video class, because several of you that have moved away or live out of town have been asking for video classes. So watch for that one, and let's take a closer look at this line here. So we do have this full collection in the 12 by 12, and it includes the sticker sheet. It's got some really cute stickers on there. It also comes with a pack of 12 by 12 solid papers, so that you know you're getting solid papers that match the line perfectly. You can also get the sticker sheet individually. And here's a look at some of these papers. Really cute sayings on there. And the back side with all the little pots of honey. Some more sayings. These make great for the outside of cards or decorating your albums. These little bees are just so cute, and it looks so summery. And then you get some black with a white dot. Some nice patterns in here. Some ginghams, cute little bees buzzing all over that paper. They've got the ginghams in the black and white, and flowers and bees. There's some nice flowers, some greenery. Sorry, I'm trying to take these off the shelf as I show them to you. Some larger florals. And this one almost looks like snow to me, but it's this nice soft blue color with the little white dots. And then this is a different gingham. It's, instead of the black and white, it's black and yellow, which is kind of fun. And there's all the little beehives. And of course you need some paper that's got the honeycomb. And these nice summer daisies, and it's got bees buzzing all through them. Here's some more florals, kind of a darker background. And this one, I don't know if that'll show up. It's little hearts. Actually, you're seeing right through the paper. It's yellow hearts on yellow paper. It looks nice in person. It's not looking so good on the camera. Put that one back. And there's all the honeybees. Some, oh, now I can't think of some honeycomb. That's the word I'm thinking of. Honeycomb in the background, and their little beehives hanging there. And then it's got some nice black and white dots. Oh, I might have already showed you that one. There's another one here with hearts. This has got white hearts on a blue background. And then a whole bunch of sayings on there. And then we also have some embellishments, like, yeah, you can tell I like this line. We've got the paper pad in the 6 by 6. There is some ephemera. There's more ephemera coming in too, but this one is the tags and frames. Super cute stamp set. There is stencils, the honeycomb, and we also brought in some little wooden bees because it just goes perfectly with that line. And then I wanted to show you some chipboard, see if I can get this to show up somehow. Maybe I'll show it against the yellow paper. So there's some chipboard here that's got some butterflies and bees in it. And then there's also, I had to get this one because it's so cute. It's got your chipboard of the honeycomb. Sorry about the glare showing up there. It's got the honeycomb bits and the bumblebees, 3 of them in 2 different sizes. So yeah, I've had those home and painting them. I'll have a video up soon with that one. Love it. So much fun.
So come on in and see our spring limes.